Hey guys, this is Kralama. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a type of lock that we've never done here before. It's a disk detainer lock. It's the first disk detainer that I've ever picked, so far the only one, but it's a fun little lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 discs, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, we'll get to picking. This is a Parkside brand. They usually make tools, and I've got this for relatively cheap. That's not to say that this isn't a quality made lock. Well, it certainly gave me some issues. So, alright, let's get this a bit higher. Okay, that should do it. Let's get this into vise, because my arm is pretty sore by now. You may think of disk detainer locks as sort of inverted combination locks, whereas the combination locks have dials with numbers. Disk detainer locks have rings, well, discs, which are on the inside, so you don't have any visual input feedback as to when it is set, well, other than on a pick. But the main principle is the same. Find the position of each of the discs where it sort of moves more freely. So let's find the one. Okay, we're on one. We just have to get into position where we can manipulate it. Okay. Okay, this feels sort of free now. Okay, 2. Feels free. Okay, it clicked. Three is dragging, so we gotta move it back. Okay, feels loose enough. 4 should be here somewhere. Okay. 4, I think maybe set. 5. Okay. Not quite sure about this one. Okay, let's go back down. Okay. Maybe it does have false gates. I'm not so sure anymore. Okay. Yeah, it definitely has false gates. But we got it open nevertheless. So yeah, that was it. It's a really cool lock. Wouldn't expect it for, I don't know, it was something like €5. Cool stuff. Great for learning. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.